Hey, what's up, guys? This is Gus and Karla here with KGC Realty Group, brokered by eXp Realty. Guys, we are in the city of Aubrey, Texas, in the community of Sandbrock Ranch. As you see this house right behind us, this is a David Weekley house. It's now finished, ready to go.
Yep.
You can contract on this now. You can make an offer, and we're going to give you a little bit of information about it, and let's do a walkthrough.
Okay, guys, so this house is a 3-bedroom plus study, and it's got a 2-car garage. It's a little bit over 2,000 square feet. It has a huge study. It's got beautiful baseboards, 10-foot ceilings, a beautiful kitchen.
Yeah.
And it's listed at $549,000.
Yeah.
And they are right now doing $10,000 towards closing if you use their preferred lender.
That's right, guys. Hey, make an offer. You know, we're seeing the market cooling a little bit, actually quite a bit. And so $549, guys, if you want to come in at whatever, you know, want to come in at a different price,
Yep.
go ahead and reach out to us. We will make an offer. And
yeah, and you won't know unless you try.
That's right.
You know, so if $549 doesn't work for you and your budget is $545 or your budget is $540, reach out to us. That's why you have realtors that work on your behalf.
That's right.
So we can negotiate. It's what we do best.
Yeah.
So let us know if you love this amazing house and what you think of it. And again, guys, do us a huge favor, please, and hit that like and subscribe button. It just helps motivate us when people are subscribing to our channel and telling us what they like and what they don't like. It just helps us stay motivated to create more videos just like this for you.
That's right, guys. Let's hope that you enjoyed this video. Let's go in and let's check it out. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you like this house. This is a very beautiful house. So you see how the black trim with the white brick just makes it pop. This is very in right now, actually.
It's a beautiful home, you guys, and it's like 100 degrees outside, so.
It is hot. I'm over here in a blazer. Okay? For you guys, for the viewers, okay? I want to look good for y'all.
Yes, but it's like unbelievably hot. So we hope that you enjoyed this video. Do us a favor again, you guys, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment. Let us know what you think. Do you like the interior? Would you, if you were moving out to Texas, would you purchase this house for $549,000?
Yeah.
If not, what would you purchase this house for? What upgrades did you like about this house? What upgrades did you not? How'd you feel about the kitchen? Just drop a comment below. Let us know what you think.
Yeah, our information, guys, is going to be right up here. Don't hesitate to reach out. We would love to hear from you. You can text and call us. And that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.